and good day. My name is Jürgen Steinmetz from eTurboNews, and this is a breaking news update. For more news updates and shows, please go to youtube.com/travel news group. youtube.com/travel news group. Here's our update.
UNWTO Assembly ends with the Sorrento Call to Action. The Sorrento Call to Action was adopted on the final day of the landmark summit, during a simulation of the UNWTO General Assembly, and signed by 120 participants from 57 countries aged between 12 and 18. It was drawn up based on the discussions of a series of webinars where young participants learned and shared their thoughts on some of the key issues facing tourism right now, among them innovation and digitalization, plastic pollution, and the growing relevance of sport, culture, and gastronomy for destinations. The document goes beyond recognizing that the voice of youth must be consulted in policymaking and instead states that young people now need to be active participants in every stage of the decision-making process across the whole tourism sector. The final text was adopted with 52 favorable opinions during the simulation of a UNWTO General Assembly. The General Assembly simulation opened with high-level interventions both in person and via video messages from His Holiness Pope Francis, Italian Minister for Tourism Massimo Garavaglia, UNWTO Secretary-General Zurab Pololikashvili, Italian Minister for Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation Luigi Di Maio, Italian Minister for Youth Policies Fabiana Dodone, and the UN Envoy for Youth Jayatma Wickramaniyake.
Thank you for listening to our news update. There's more on youtube.com/travel news group, or you can read us, of course, in going to our news portal at eTurboNews.com or travelnews.online.